Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's video, we'll learn how to fix the permission-denied error in Homebrew on macOS. This usually happens when Homebrew does not have the correct permissions to install packages or update files. Let's fix it step by step. First, open the Terminal app on your MacBook. You can quickly open it using Spotlight Search by pressing Command and Space together, then type Terminal and open it. Now let's first check the issue. Type the command brew update and press return. If you see a permission denied or operation not permitted error, continue with the next steps. The fastest fix is repairing Homebrew ownership permissions. If you are using an Apple Silicon Mac like M1, M2, or M3, type this command exactly. sudo chown-r$ open bracket whoomi close bracket /opt/homebrew. Then press return and enter your Mac password if prompted. If you are using an Intel MacBook instead, use this command, sudo chown-r$ open bracket whoomi close bracket /usr/local/homebrew. This command changes the ownership of the Homebrew folder back to your user account, so Homebrew can access and modify files correctly. If this video is helping you so far, please like the video and subscribe to DelftStack for more quick Mac and iPhone tutorials. Now let's verify that the problem is fixed. Type Brew Doctor and press return. If everything is working properly, Homebrew will usually say your system is ready to brew, and that's it. Your Homebrew permission denied issue should now be fixed on macOS. Thanks for watching this DelftStack tutorial video.